Alright folks, Ike here from Gemma Mechanics. Today I'm working on another Jeep. This one's an 04 Grand Cherokee. The problem this had is when you open the door, all your window controls stop working. But if you close the door, it would work just fine. So, I've seen this problem a million times. It's always the wiring in the door. So I got into the door here, and I just cut the boot away from it. There's no point fighting it. It always breaks farther in, and it's near impossible to get to without cutting the boot away. Being this orange wire here was broken, but a little piece of the plastic was keeping the wire attached, so that when you open the door, it would kind of bend and disconnect, but when you shut the door, it'd push it back together, connect, the windows would work fine. But while I was in here, and something I want to point out is this black wire here is still connected, but if you see that little mess up, or that little kind of crease in the insulation there, this black wire is actually broken. It's already broken internally, it just hasn't broken the plastic yet. So if I put this back together, it'll work fine for a while until the plastic breaks and separates the copper inside. And then if this black wire breaks, it'll do all kinds of funky stuff. Your doors will start locking even when you're not around. Your lights will come on, drain your battery. It'll do all kinds of weird stuff. If this orange wire breaks, you just lose your locks and power to your windows. If the black wire breaks, it causes ground, back grounding, does all kinds of weird stuff. I've seen this wire here cause gauges to your gauges in your dash to start messing up as well. So we're gonna actually cut this insulation, put a connector in there, and stop this problem before it even happens, because you can see that copper is already broken in there. You can actually see it. So hope this helps someone. Always check your wiring in the doors of these WJs. They are known to cause all kinds of issues. Even if it shorts out just right, you can stall your engine, and that would be there's a wire in here. It might be this this yellow and red wire. Usually it's yellow and purple. Oh, here it is, yellow and purple, right there. That is the bus wire for the communication between the computer modules. If this wire breaks and starts shorting out, it'll cause your gauges to mess up, your security system to go off, or your engine not to start. All kinds of weird stuff can happen. So, and they always break in this harness here. So always check your wiring. Look for these little creases in the insulation, then you know the wire's broke. Cut it there, put a nice waterproof connector in, and heat shrink it, and you'll be back on the road, no problem. Thanks for watching.